In this session, we're going to learn how to fetch a single, specific record from Zoho using Deluge with the help of AI Gemini. This approach is useful when you already know the record ID and want precise data. Step 1. Decide what you want. Before asking AI, clarity is important. Here, our goal is simple. Fetch one record using its ID from a Zoho module. Step 2. Ask Gemini the right way. Now open Gemini AI and ask clearly. Use a structured prompt like this. Write a Zoho Deluge script to fetch a single record from the Leads module using record ID. Explain the code briefly. Step 3. Review the output. Quickly verify three things: module name, record ID variable, output format. Step 4. Create a function in Zoho. Now switch to Zoho CRM. Go to Setup, then below the developer space, then click Functions. Here, click Create Function. Give your function a name and select Automation Function. Step 5. Paste the code. Paste the code you received from Gemini directly into the function editor. If needed, replace the sample record ID with a real one from your CRM. Step 6. Execute and test. Click Execute. On the right side, you'll see the fetched record details as output. Step 7. Save and use. Once the output looks correct, click Save or Save and Close. Your function is now ready to be reused in workflows, buttons, or automations. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.